In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zillow profile settings on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your details, manage your profile photo, and tighten your security, all from a desktop browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to Zillow.com. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and enter your account credentials. For the smoothest experience, use a trusted computer and a modern browser, and make sure you're on the desktop version of the site. After you log in, you should see the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Now look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually a small circle showing either your photo or your initials. If you don't see that circle, you may still be signed out. So go back and make sure you're logged in. When you find the icon, click it. That click opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main account hub, where you can manage everything tied to your Zillow profile. Once the Account Settings page loads, look for the section labeled Profile. It may appear as a tile or a tab. Click Profile to get into the area where you can edit key information. Inside the Profile section, you can change the email address associated with your account, update your contact information, edit your name or display name, and upload or change your profile photo. You can also review and adjust security options, including two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of protection to your login. As you make changes, look for Save or Update buttons and confirm that your updates have been applied. For your photo, use a clear, well-lit image, ideally a square or one that crops well. For contact info, double-check spelling and formatting so people can reach you without issues. Keeping your email current helps with password recovery and important notifications. And enabling two-step verification is a smart way to protect your account. If anything looks different on your screen, make sure you're on a desktop browser rather than a mobile device, and refresh the page if necessary. When you're finished, you can return to any Zillow page, and your updated details will carry through to your profile. That's it. You've accessed Zillow's profile settings on desktop and know how to manage the essentials. Keep your information up to date and your account secure, and you'll have a smoother experience across the site.